Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video the 5 top reasons why you must upgrade to Apple Magic Mouse 2. Without further ado, let us start the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the photo, so we know we are focusing on Apple Magic Mouse 2. Let's now go all the way down to the dock again to let the people watching this video know I have done many videos around the subject for peripherals on computer systems. Let's now search for mouse. I did a couple of videos in regards to Apple Magic Mouse 2 already, so you can watch them when you do have a chance. I've also done videos regarding the first Apple Magic Mouse that I did purchase in 2012. Released a couple of videos, how to pair and connect, how to use the Apple Magic Mouse in 2019. Now let's minimize Safari for the moment, focus on the video. 5 top reasons to upgrade to Apple Magic Mouse 2 at this very moment in time. The first one would be no batteries. We are no longer required to open up the Magic Mouse, insert the AA batteries into the mouse itself, and then we'd have to recharge those batteries if they are rechargeable. That is no longer required. Second top tip, Bluetooth connectivity. The previous generation Apple Magic Mouse had this feature. We've still kept this feature, which is great. We no longer require any wires, which is all a mess when it comes to advanced technology. Number 3, USB Type-C, which is way faster than the originals at the time of release. So when you do use your mouse after recharging via USB Type-C, we will be able to charge at a faster rate, which brings me on to the next point. Number 4, long-lasting charge. So you can literally charge the mouse for 2 minutes and it will give you a full day's worth of use. If you charge for 2 hours, it will last you up to a month. And keep this in mind, a day's use of the Mac computer times 30, that's how long it will take until you need to recharge the mouse all over again. This is Apple Magic Mouse 2, yes. Last but not least, top tip number 5, the hand gestures. I will do a video on that. That's a whole nother topic, another subject, which I will require a 10-minute video to give that to the audience so they can then take that information, use that for themselves. So, just to summarize, no batteries, Bluetooth connectivity, USB Type-C, longer lasting charge, hand gestures. So, quick preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.